Okay, I think we are live. Let me check it. Yeah, live, but extreme health. It's extreme health. What is this? Extreme health is excellent. Okay, everything excellent. Okay, and here how to go. Okay, so actually, okay, my everything's okay. Right, I need to wait. Okay, okay, I need to go. Yeah, everything is okay. So, in morning we have solved some mistaken questions. So let's solve the topic. Okay, think today we're going to solve 16 questions on different. Let me solve binary heap. Let me see. No, 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 no. Completed, but binary search tree. Let me think. Okay. Yeah, I think I completed somewhat of binary search tree. Let me choose another subject. This volume one was over. Oh, do volume one. Volume one. Yeah, it's loading. I did not do don't have performance. What did it perform? Okay, volume one. So let's see which was. Let's do something on mathematical logic. Okay, you can see 2026 no question on set one. Set two there is one question on 1 mark. Okay, total overall maximum will getting marks. Maximum getting 2 marks. Average minimum 0. Okay, there is no less probability. But let's see where the total the 35 plus 3, 38, 70% it is. Okay. Proportional. Okay. 15 question. Okay, if we done with these questions, then that's all. Our task is completing. Okay, let's do 50 questions. Okay. Today is not. Today is so hard. Yeah. Question FOL. Right, FOL. What? It's about why FOL is post okay. Logic. No quiz on logic. FOL quiz. Let's go listen. No quiz. Post logic. No quiz. Okay, at least on proper logic only. Okay, anyways, weekly quiz 6. Weekly quiz 7. Okay, anyways, let's solve this question. There are how many? Okay, there are total of 1,000 takers. Almost 1,000. Oh, okay. Oh, what? I have already taken this test 3 months ago. Oh, it's great. Go classes, CSDA, this class FL. But this is previous year questions, right? Previous question on this. Okay. Okay, I got around 11 out of 25. Okay, let me take this time. Okay. Hmm, 6. Okay. Now total 50 minutes time. 15 question. Okay. For example, P of X equal to X. Ultimate segments. What? Oh my god, it is too much time. String is okay. X, QX, and RX. What's your approachment? Okay. As the universe of all integers, which of the following statements is are true? Mhm. There exists X. There exists X. Okay, first we have to find X. Okay, X. First we have to solve the question. Next, what will we get? 3, 5. Okay. 3 minus 3x minus 5x straight x. Okay. If we solve this, we'll get equals to 3 and 5. Okay. Yeah, this is correct. Okay, and there exists x. Okay, there exists x. Rx tends to px. X is greater than 0. Okay, x. Okay, exists x. Px is okay. This is true. For all of x, what is x? Okay, for all of x, not qx means for all of x, not qx means x is not of x should be even. Okay, not px. What do you know this state? Okay, let us simplify this. For all of x, right? If we take common like qx or not px. Okay, qx means for all of x, qx is odd, x is odd, and px is odd. For all of x, right? For all of x is odd. No, no, some x is greater than it can be even also. Not p of x. What's p of x? Not p of x means I put 3 or 5. Okay, part of these two. Broken scenario. What's the problem? If I take px tends to qx. Okay, then for all of x. Okay, for all of x, if it is p of x, means it is q of x, then if it is 2 comma 3, then it is q of x. Q is odd, x is odd. Okay, if this is true, this is true. It's false, this is false. Where it condition fails. Fails at this condition is true. Okay, then okay, yes. Yeah, option B is also true. We have to say there exists x. P of x tends to Q of x, or Q of x means okay, this is odd, and R of x. Okay, get it out. P of x makes sense. True. Okay, true. And if false, can we just so false tends to true? False. Yeah. Okay, wait. If it is false, this x is even. Okay, if it is even, it is false, right? So we don't care about this. It can always become true. So then it will not become false. That's fine. Mm, all of x, all of x, p of x. Okay, okay. With all of x, p of x, or q of x. Okay, p of x means 2 comma 3 into comma 5 and or Q of x, Q of x is okay. Odd number, okay, means like odd number, and it is greater than 0. Okay. It's greater than 0. Let's take 2. 2 is false. Conditional false. We don't care about this. But false. Okay. Wait. This condition is false. False just anything is true. Okay. This is true. R. R less than 0. Okay. X is minus 1. Wait. Condition false. Okay. I think I'll actually rabbit. Oh my god. This question got a rabbit of x. X is cute. I think this question is literally quiz. It's 6 of. But it's a PYQ. That's this PYQ. All right. Why is it not giving his previous test? To try test out. Yeah, yeah. I'm like, okay. Then actually PYQ as well. Mm, what's to was it? I need to do questions. I need to do PYQ questions from this. No, is this I can do later, but okay, let me just do this quiz and let me stop it. Okay. I can start the following. This YouTube is right. No, like just should not reveal the questions as well because it's pirated. The pirated. I feel like new process test and why they perform? I didn't perform in operation 5. I just have this logic again. Why they come not do it because logic start with first of all logic is to come go classes is bad. Yeah, we have done is okay. Let's do second. Let us see PYQs, but where is this PYQ? All right, also PYQ. Soon PYQs. Looking quizzes or what PYQs? No quizzes, no quizzes, no quizzes. So theory and binary operations. Binary operations. No, not complete function. Not combination number 3. Number 3. It's theory. Oh, determine. Okay, number 3. Okay, on to functions. Then relations, set theory. Relations. Much things to do. Discrete mathematics. You remember calculator of the property. Okay, after jump left to the graph theory. Degree of graph coloring, graph connectivity, Jacob fusion, yeah, common matrix, balls and ball, common place counting, general functions, modular function, hidden for principal recursion, formation. Okay, mathematics, discriminant graph theory, counting, intelligence. Okay, think I have to study more languages. Okay, let me do proportional logic. On what? Wait. But if I'm 3, data structure. Let's do data structure as well. Then okay, data structure. Programming and think programming and programming and C programming in TS means output. What is it output? Okay. Actually, in linked list, I have not a linked list, but let me try this. The circle linked list, the organization is setting up to the volume dash increasing on. Okay, let me just do this. A circle linked list organization session of a record involves one version of linked list. Circle version of multiple pointers. Section means circular linked list means we have to break this to connect this. We have to connect this to this. Okay, that's all. I think 2 point will be the answer. Two. Oh yes, 2 pointers. Got it. I got correct answer, but let me see the answer. What is it? P next. Okay, suppose they have inserted P after Q not okay, then P next to Q next. Okay, yeah, P next request and P next to Q next to Q. Yes. So after let me just very interesting. I just got what so interesting. Okay, done. Done. What's next question? Okay, including number. Right. What's the next? Mm, Then let's go with the last from the post. Okay, fine. 5 questions, 4 questions. 26. Okay, why they brought engine? Okay, 5. 226. Oh, let me see this question. Okay, construct the following codes C language that computes the number of nodes in a non-empty singly linked list pointed to the pointer variable head. Okay, step E and T step. DLT is in the laptop. Okay, start next. It contributes to even I need to hear what first. I need to prepare. So if it's one of the following options question, correct will define the even and leave to expression. Okay. What they are saying, consider the following codes in C comment. size. Okay. So if E1 equals E2, return one. E2. Okay, what is it? What is it? Okay, I think first one is null, and second one is yeah. Okay. Moving. You know, we're getting any interest to do this kind of stuff. Okay. Just do a quiz. I can get. Oh, oh, not right. Okay. I think I need to study. Mm, let me see. To some switch cases. Switch cases. No quiz on this. Okay, let us do. What will be the output of this C program? Okay. Int in char A. Okay. Switch in char. What is A? Okay, the educate is giving A. Okay, case here. Okay, it matches with A. And what it printf choice here. Okay, so it is printed. And choice print B skip. Okay, print C. Okay, print A slash N. Okay, print choice A is and choice B no choice. I think option C would be the answer because there's no break statement. What is X? What is X, man? Oh, like exploiting the questions to close. Thank you and get in this live stream. Okay. Yeah, option C, right? Okay, got it. Why? Because here there is no break statement. If there is break, and it will be, let me see. Here, in this question, okay, in this question, if there is break statement after case A, then the answer would be only choice A, means option B. And then that's all. Option C will be the answer, but here option X they given. Okay, fine. And if I choose option, well, why? Because option will get a slash and we continue line. Okay, and then after, okay, don't be done. Two questions. Okay, two questions are done. No, three questions are done. Three questions are done. And then includes. Okay, okay. I plus K. Oh, another question. This question is which case normal numeric answer type. Yeah, we do this question. They give it in IJK. Because you're doing it, okay. First, we have to sort out what's J. J equals to 2 to 3. So we get to tell 6 to 4 plus 2.5 plus 8 by 5. Okay, do like this. Order. But here there is no bracket. You can see the bracket. Plus is this 6 by 4 become what? By 4. We can integer become 1. 1 plus 2.5 can become 1 plus. Means S is not bigger. Here is bigger. Fine. Here if we consider this, it will become 0. Yeah. 0. It is 8 by 5. It one. So j equals to 2. If I'm going to correct, then it will be 2, but saying j to 2, it's just 6. Okay, what are j equals to be k equals to ij. Okay, here I box j equals to 2 and k equal to initial they are given 0, but it should become I means first to decrement I and to initialize. So k equals to 1. Okay, fine. And now what? Now we have for loop for I equal to 0, I less than I will plus. Loop runs for I equal to 0, equals to 1, equals to 2, equals to 3, equals to 4. The moment equals to 4, the loops like here I incremented and 5 less than it's false. So loop execute. For I equals to 1, what will be the case? Okay, here I am here, switch I plus k. Here k equals 1, k equals 1, so the total will be switch case will become 1, switch will become 1. Switch will become 1, it will fall off. The number of times printf statements execute. Okay, switch case 1, k equals 1. Okay. Switch equals to 1, so switch case 1 also print of 1, 2, 3, 3 times prints. Okay, 3 times prints. Okay, then after here 3 less 3 times if okay, and then after what for I equals to 1 and for 2 case 2 will become again 3 6 case 2 is 1 3 3 3 2 and 1 4. Switch case 4 means default 1 4 is what should become 5 default 1. That's 6 7 8 9 10. Command is 10 6. I think answer is 10. If I'm not wrong, yes, it's correct. You got it, man. Wow, nice. One question. Well done. And then next one. Oh, and then need to mark the case is done. Structure. Okay, let me solve this question as well. Ha ha ha. Yeah, with excited. I don't know today's. No, I don't say like that, but today's one of the bad day. I broke the challenge. That's all. Not the challenge. Okay, now use great. Chat disabled. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, fine. Oh, am I audible? I think I'm not going to what is okay. Now we get the good stream. But okay. Mm, yes, I will do not it. That's it. And let's do this question. Right. Okay. Yeah. Following C declares structure node. One node they are declaring int I, int j. Structure node start as 10. Okay, an array of each integer. Okay, an array, an array, each element of which is pointed type struct. No, a structure of two fields, each field being a pointer to array of 10 elements. Okay, no, two field an array, each element of which struct type is number. Yeah, an array, each element of which is pointed to an array, each element of which is a pointer, an array. Yeah. Brahmatra rule to read the complicated point statement. Set abbreviation or something. I didn't get it. Okay. Has greater precedence than star in C. So S becomes an array of pointers. Okay. What it meant. So can you say this? An array of point and an array. Each element is of an array. Each element of which is a pointer to the struct type node. The struct type node. Okay, got it. Now what about a structure of two fields? Each will be being pointed. I think okay, option A. MS okay. Okay. Questions one question is done. And consider 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 questions out of 5 questions out of 15. To 5 questions out of 15. Consider the following C program. Include okay, I'm going to mark wrong. Okay. Wrong. Consider the following C program. Okay. That our node can be cat expected. Okay. Int main our node P10 A plus 2. So A B C I think C becomes C. Okay. Then stuck our node star P means hammer set of P means they will give address. Okay. It. See directly we can write star plus means like P can be hid as 1 0 character 1 0 and the wait C can say C just normal C. No, not normal just C. Okay, percentage C character our node star Q emission of P. Okay, we are just set of P. We are sending the address of P star Q. Star Q is our node. Okay. See, there is a Q. Okay, there is a Q which is holding the address of the same fine. This is called star Q. Say star Q. This character star Q plus 1. Okay. Q plus 1. 0 plus 1. And star to become 0. One is first element is 0 continue. Actually means the character star. Okay. Character star Q. Q is character star plus 2. 0, 1, 2. So this thing. C is printed with a mean 0, C. If we're not wrong, it will be the answer. So, Yes. Yes, I think there's 0.3. Oh, that's nice, man. 0.3 is character. Character. C is also character, right? So it's just muted C. And second here, I think here it's converted, but I got correct. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. Consider the following and C. Okay. Include std.h. You don't need to step node into value. Okay, not contains value. And step node star next. Okay, next is a pointer. Okay, what? Actually, it's peak. Which of the following statements below is correct about the program? Okay. Upon execution, the program creates a linked list of 5 nodes. Uh-huh. Upon execution, the program goes into infinite loop. The missing return, which will reported as an error by the compiler. Okay. It dereferences an initialized pointer to result in runtime error. Oh, God. Okay. Stuck node. Okay. Infinite. Start next. Increment. Okay. Then return node and value. Okay. But there is no head. Oh, wait. No. It is estimate. Okay. Value and okay. Value and this is a pointer. Okay. Okay, so this value next. Okay. Okay. Pointer. You name. Stack node. Okay. And there's node box. Stack node start boxy. Boxy head box and int index equals 0. Okay, I'm stuck. Gotcha. They are measuring VP int index equals 0. Okay. Box C head equals to stuck. And malloc head of stuck. Okay. Head. First they are saying head. Okay. Head they are created. And head contains the value of box only. And then head value equals to index. Index is what? Index 0. But for index equals to 1, index less than 0, index plus plus. Where are they? Index value equals to index equal to okay, if the index equals to 1, index less than equals to 3, and the front box 7, and what? Which kind of questions? Okay, here create and for index equals what they can give. Mm, box n. Box n computer box n stack node star node instead of box next equals to box e next equals to box n. Okay, this is box e. This was box e. This next equals to box n. Okay, fine. And box n value equals index. Okay, and box. Okay, what? And then box n equals to box c. Now what is box and this is box c, right? And what's box c pointing to? What's box n pointing to box c and index equals increase index equals to index equals to right this is box c dot next equals box n. You're gonna create out of the three nodes, right? So box n where box next pointing to. Okay, box seems and I think this is actually is difference and still point that begins when the well, it is not so here again it so this further will come you see index 0 index 0 is 0 index 1 is 1 index 1 is 1 index 2 is 2 index 2 is 2 index 3 is index 3 is 3. Okay, let's see the first loop. Let us see the first loop. Okay, average value has not changed. Okay, it's not so this is not this is 0 this is 1 the pair is a small space and pair make it because strong. But first to be conversion, then we define index 1. I don't know. Won't feel like good. Okay, anyways, I have to study. Okay, for index one. Okay, this first look index no box and equals to stuck. No, okay. After this, we get a linked list of size 4. Head is passing pointer being box and box E2 and box and pointing to last node and pointer to the last node being unlisted. Okay, now the second loop will do printing as follows until the second printf of the final iteration. Okay, value at index equals 0. Value at index 0 is 0. Value at index I is 1. Value at index I is 1. Okay, 2. After this head pointing unlisted, a random content which is treated as an address. So it basically reads data from unlisted memory locations. So we can result not saying will result because by chance the uninitialized memory can be valid location in runtime error. To correct the error, we just have to add an extra line of the code as given below. Print equals to 1 7. Okay. Int any next okay method. Okay. For the code that we need to have line. For index 7, I listen well or box x ball and box second equals to stuff node star malloc is a function of the fan box c box e next equals to box n equals to index and box n next equals to null and box next equals to null so box c equals to f. Okay, so what is it? First let me search comments. Okay, then next read this explanation. Whether this head repeat not has anything. Okay, head that's nice. Okay. Okay. Good question. Okay, so that subject cycle will be different. Index value index is a direct investigated necessary. Investigated necessary. Okay, fine. Start it here. I'll do this again next time. And what's the answer? Either would be option of this correct one option D. But I made a mistake. Skip. Okay, let me just skipped. Ensure the following program. Oh, okay, like type of stuff, character styling, okay, structure. Okay, they don't need to find character. T, F, T, comma S. Okay, T, F2, T, comma star B. Main function. Set T, comma second B. What will be the output generator? Given structure AB, okay, AB, T, F1, T, comma S. Static T is Yeah, DBMS static T is equal to maybe that rate and printf printf s dot a means should be means okay because A be incorrect and f1 of s. What is this here? F1 of s, okay. F1 of s. We have to pass f1 of s. S is this. T is this. S is this, okay. Print s dot a. Okay. What we are going to here? Okay, here there is okay, void function f1, f2, right? F1 is s, okay. F1 is f x. 6 is what x. Then we okay. F1 as if I have to put f1 of s. Yes, means this s dot a equals to u, s dot u equals to okay. They are not initialized inside. They are printing s dot a and s dot b. And they are printing s dot a, s dot b. What they are printing v u v. Okay, option all are correct. So what's the different here comes the point. We are returning to the function what? Mm, where we are not. This is just what right. This is right. Okay, right. What we are doing is just printing s1 s1 dot a or think if I'm not wrong, s1 dot a because this is just transit function. What I will get cancel. What to do s1 dot a means what? Vu uv. This is static function. No, this is static function, so this variable must be pure, right? So when thus we print out AB option B, yeah, it's true. I think let us see this question as well. Try to take all parameter GCC gate CSE what is the purpose of star work effect here? What is my star work? Well, when we first print NP, F1 calls by value prediction applicable only for S1 for the local. F1 UV printed back to main AB, back to main AB, and F2 we don't print it. Absolutely. Okay, I've done only in these two parts. I got the answer. Okay, yes, I got the answer, but it is partial of. And then what we're calling F2 ampersand of S. We're just passing this address to F2 because F2 is a pointer. So we are printing VW. Yes, that's true. Yes, I just mark done. Because I done. Okay, this question. Okay. Okay, which of the following choices given below would be printed when the following program exit? Okay, fine. Structure, text. Okay, in the text structure there is int I and character C. Okay, they give okay. Structure 5 big I character C. Okay, 4 better, 6 jungle, 8 ancestor, 7 brother. Okay, fine. Structure. Okay, there's a pointer which point is the structure. Okay. P plus 1 equals to 1. Mhm. So now P equals to P plus 1 because pointer get incremented. Hmm. Those two p plus 1. Okay, point. Okay, structure. Take, take some. P get incremented means p plus 1. P get incremented. P get incremented pp. What does it mean? P defines the structure, like this whole structure got incremented. This is one structure, okay. P plus 1 means here P is pointing to P plus 1 equal P plus 1. Here P is pointing to the second structure, first element. And then here what we are doing again P plus plus. Again we are incrementing structure to become incremented, and it is now P is pointing to this. Okay, P points to this. So what we are doing was we are just doing P plus plus tends to this. Now P is at here this position. It will print jungle. Okay, print jungle C. Okay, what the heck is in here? Why is this in here? This jungle, and after jungle, B C. C means what? C means character. Okay, C is just means C characters and character. Okay, jungle, and then pointer C string and a string pointer C star plus plus P. Okay, C star plus plus. So star means like inside that parameter. Okay. What we are doing was inside this parameter we are just okay. We okay. What we are doing? We are just moving this center to C means here, and we are just doing this. What it is? Yes, this is first increment. First, you have to increment, and then we have to perform the operations like P plus plus P jungle done, and then where this point is moving to plus 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 point is moving to next this plus plus means one just one no. Well, we print n, okay, n, and then what? And then p of 0 dot I percent of d. P of 0 means this this is 1, and if you consider this is 0, this is 0 8. Okay, p of c, that is p no. P is not pointing to sister. Not wrong option, you will be the correct. What? No. Think option B. B is what? Ether. Ether. Like P plus 1. For P is structure, right? Structure is 1. We just incremented by 1. And here. And what here? Plus plus tends to C. C means what? C means character. Similar is character. Character characteristics. Then plus P plus plus character. What's character? Array wait. I have to check this one. No, okay. The clinician arguments. This is the distance, I guess. Yes. Useful answers. Who gives answers? What explanation? Hmm. Let's do it again myself. Okay. Piece pointing to this. Okay. So this star P plus one means just incremented by this whole character means first big it is one four. Then plus plus. Means what is just implemented, right? Wait. This is better, right? Here. Okay, let me do. Many people are confusing why incrementing done by 100 hours to 100, not 104, because of this. Not remember 1 not 102, 1 not 1. Integer is 4 character. 4 plus 4 is not 4. 1 to not 4 is 6. No, man. Oh, okay. We are only considering the highest degree, right? Highest degree. Okay. What it will just remind me the just remind 4 is highest rate, so we are just doubling by 4. 8. Okay, fine. And always easy when you know the precedence, but remembering the precedence is difficult. So okay, fine. So okay, we will assume few things. Size of integer is 4, size of pointer is 4 bytes. On neglecting any alignment issues, with the storage of the structure will be 8 bytes per structure. Okay, 8 bytes per structure. Okay, and one precedence rule we need to know. Operand variance operator precedence rule. Okay, operand one where operands to high. Okay, high. This is low. Pro. You nailed it. Mm. Am I live streaming? So of course. So what was started this question also? Start this question and this question. Okay, what where I'm checking on this question. Okay, this question I think I'm done. Okay, and this question now I'm looking now. Okay. And I got so if we take this to coach. Okay, it's like it is like okay. I have done the same. First we're incrementing this plus plus will become here. And again we are incrementing this plus plus become here. No. Plus plus is different from. Okay, first we are pointing here, and plus plus means not registering either. Okay, either. So, okay, let me see. Either six jungle. Okay, what is I have select option jingle and eight either. What is eight? Eight is after six eight. I mean, if after six is I think just close two and jingle and okay, and I think either you and eight eight and sisters and sister and where is this man and CL. The of itself is wrong, right? It's correct option and CL is two. Nice. Need to okay. Um, but what is again? Okay. Okay, here the interior side for fonts. Goodness, imagine I can find become and this is one more, this is one more, and four better and six jungle, seven ancestor. Okay, fine. So what we're doing, kind of size structure. Okay. Okay. Here what here we are pointing here three pointer where structure is pointed, and then and I will take experience. Now the font star. Okay. Now P is incremented by what? Means what? Pointer is of 4 bytes, right? Like enter P incremented by means what? The structure of P. Means into P. It is pointing to now B at better and 6. No, 4 and we multiply to 4. Okay, and what next? This what is pointing. It's point the variables is precedence. So this point has more precedence. So what we're doing, just we need character. What same is here character. Okay, we're going to character, and in character we are just incrementing. So now we're pointing to either. Either I mean we are pointing to better. Let me save it. Here it is better, right? Better, and here we are pointing exactly. Okay. Now print plus plus c. Okay, we're going to print this ether, and then what? And then we're incrementing the pointer. Hmm. First we have incrementing a pointer at highest distance. So what? Yeah, this become and then pointer get incremented. Pointer to pointer become so somehow sorry this is coming change. Okay, and again I can see. Okay, star plus plus p. First we become point c which was star. Okay, pointer c. Pointer c which is jingle, but it was jingle. Pointer c jingle plus plus means increment means u. U is there u and star. What is star? Star means what we want to do. Okay, just you, right? Just okay. We are you. Okay, and then after printf t printf of 0.I 1 2 3. What's I here? We have 0 dot I. What is I means here integer. Jingle means what? Yes, yes. I don't know. Next PFC character. Should be okay. Initial solution. Okay, initial order 12,000 204 208 12. Why it is covered? Because this is that okay, fine. To be smart, point is most such as experience. Okay, you have that issue. Okay, and now I will end stream. I need to go. Come back again.